Good morning, Nimekename, ladies and gentlemen, and the members of the media. We are gathered here this August morning under the auspices of the Coalition of Royals of the Gan State, COX, to address matters of concern adversely affecting the peace, progress, and development of the Gan State. We, the Coalition of Royals of the Gan State, deem it fit to invite you all here present this morning to address the recent disturbances and developments surrounding the Gan Manchester II, Gan Traditional Council, and the Gan State as a whole, and to set the record straight without any compromises or prejudice. Who we are. Nime Kename, ladies and gentlemen, and the members of the media. The Coalition of Royals of the Gan State is a non-political and non-governmental organization which was formed with the aim of advancing the cause of the Gan State. Membership of COX comprises of well-meaning Gan men and representatives from all the traditional tribes and clans of the Gan State, namely Asina Kutupong, Abola, Bese Sempe, Akumaje, and Otubloun, who have the peace and progress and development of the Gan State at heart. Issues unfolding. 1. Brouhaha over installation of a new Gan Manche, what we call the double installation. Nimekaname, ladies and gentlemen, and the members of the media. The coalition, which seeks to express grave worries about the brouhaha surrounding the Gan paramountcy and our disappointment about the actors, that is, the government functionaries and the minority of the Gan Jase and the Bobu Wulomo committee involved in the installation of a rival Gan Manche to the disturbance of the peace and progress of the Gan State. With the demise of the late Boni Ni Amogi Sose II, Gan Manche, on 10th December 2004, and subsequent burial on 27 January 2007, the need for a successor to occupy Abetechi Afadis II became inevitable. By Gan customs and norms, the funeral and burial of a Gan Manche is the sole prerogative of the Gan Jaseche, without which a burial cannot take place. However, the then Gan Jaseche, late Ni Kwaku Neri II, known in private life as Port Tego of Taki Komewe, preceded Boni Ni Amogi Sose II. The need for a Gan Jaseche therefore became the priority, but the selection was met with controversies. However, Ni Yaote Otogan II, also known in private life as Emmanuel Ni Yaote of Yaboy Yaote of Amugiwe, was nominated and installed the Gan Jaseche in the year 2005 by the appropriate authorities and was accepted by the three traditional priesthoods of Gamashin, namely Naiwe, Kolewe, and Sakumowe, after Dr. Ni Tetekwe rejected an offer to be the Jaseche. Ni Yaote Otogan II was clothed with the consequential authority to bury Boni Ni Amogi Sose II, the late Gan Manche, to nominate and select an appropriate candidate for installation as Gan Manche in consultation with the Gan Jase to succeed late Boni Ni Amogi Sose II. Copies attached, Appendix A. So, here we have a document which clearly shows that Gan accept Ni Yaote Otogan as Gan Jaseche. So the question about who is the Gan Jaseche is also resolved. The four ruling houses in the Gan State who ascend the Gan stool in rotational order from time memorial, they are the Tekochuluwe, Taki Komewe, Amugiwe, and Abolapiamuwe, in that order. After the death of Boni Amogi Sose II from Amugiwe, let's take note, the mantle passed to Abolapiamuwe based on a ruling of the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs, Chieftaincy Tribunal Dodowa, dated 13 September 1988. That too, this is a copy of it. This is the copy of the tribunal And then it is Exhibit B. Exhibit C, rather. So we have A, and then this is B. The B shows the program of the burial of Ni Amugi Sose II. And here the Jase and the coordinator of the funeral was Yaute Otuga II. So we move on. As a look at the Randolph history indicates a most recent reign as below. When we look at Raymond, one of our learned guns and then a historian, he drew a table of succession from Takitaria I up to Amugi time. So we have here Takitaria II, who reigned from 1944 to 1947, and he came from Teko Chuluwi. Take note of the chronology. Then we have Taki Kome II from 1948 to 1962. He was the stool, and he also came from Taki Komewe. Then comes Bonini Amugi Sose II from 1965 to 2004, and he came from Amugiwe. So the next house to nominate and install is Abola Piamwe, according to our research and the records that we have. From the above table and order of rotation, it is clear that it is the turn of the Abola Piamwe to nominate and install a Gamanche after the demise of Bomni Ni Amugi Sose of Amugiwe and not Teko Chuluwi, as we are being made to believe by Bobu Committee and some elements in the NPP administration. So the records are clear. If you jump from Amugi to Teko Chuluwi, it means that you are eliminating Abola Piam from the reign, and which we cannot accept. After the burial of Bonini Amugi Sose II, Niya Ototogan II, as the Grand Jase, together with the paramount two Jase, invited candidates for vetting from elders of Abola Piamwe. They presented George Taki Abia, Dr. Kevin Taki, Kuja Okain, and late Aite Aite, also known as Aite Canada. All these four were presented for vetting. It is worth of note that the first two candidates, that is George Taki and Kevin Taki, were all borrowed from Teko Chuluwi, owing to challenges with the candidates within Abola Piamwe. It's on record. So now we come to the personality, George Taki Abia, also known as King Taki Adamalache II. Otogan II, Ganjase, together with the paramounts to Jase, elected George Taki Abia for installation by the appropriate authorities as Gamanche on the 11th of June 2011. After he has performed all the necessary traditional rites in the Ganstu room and Sakumowe, he was given the stool name Boni King Taki Adamalache instead of King Adama Kuraja II. And the original traditional beads, that is the afili, the symbol of authority, taken from the late Boni Amugi Sose II as traditional demands. So we are saying here that from our research, the beads, afili, which the Gamanche is supposed to wear, is in the hands of Adama Lache, transferred from Sose Amugi to Adama Lache. Good. So we have to find out where the others got their own from. Boni King Taki Adamalache II was later presented by the Ganja Seche Niya Ototogan II to the Gan Traditional Council for the appropriate formal processes towards recognition in accordance with the provisions of the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana and the Chieftaincy Act 759. The Ghana Traditional Council, headed by the Otublo Mancheni Dodu Nsaki II, acting president, accepted him into membership of the council, and duly forwarded his CD's form, that is chieftaincy forms, to the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs in Dodowa for onward transmission to the National House of Chiefs in Kumasi. After all the appropriate and requisite checks and enquiries, the CD forms were sent by the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs in Dodowa to the National House of Chiefs at Kumasi. Copy attached. We have the copy here from. Here's the CD forms that was sent to the Regional House Dodowa and then forwarded to National House of Chiefs Kumasi. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, after satisfying itself about the bona fides of Bonny King Adama Alache II, the National House of Chiefs accepted him into office as the Gamanche and registered his name into the National Register of Chiefs as Gamanche on 24th April 2015. And the Chieftaincy Bulletin number 21 dated December 2009 to April 2015. That too, we have the bulletin here. That is the Chieftaincy Bulletin, which shows that Bonny King Adama Alache II has been duly registered with the National House of Chiefs as the Gamanche. It was mandatory, therefore, for the acting president of the Ghana Traditional Council, Nidodun Saki II, to induct Bonny King Taki Adama Alache into office as president of the Ghana Traditional Council, as mandated under the Chieftaincy Act 2008, Act 759, Section 13(1). This is where the tricks and the games began. Nidodun Saki II was not prepared to relinquish the position as acting president of the Ghana Traditional Council and began using one excuse after the other as we speak now. Nidodun Saki has handed over the role of acting president to Ni Adote Otinto II, Sempe Manche, on an excuse that he is aged and he can no longer continue with that office. Meanwhile, the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs requested him to relinquish the position earlier to Bonny Adama Alache. At the time, he, Nidodun Saki, led members of the Ghana Traditional Council to the presidency at the Jubilee House, requesting the President, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, to give them a Gamanche. Where do we do this? The president of the land should give you Gamanche. When there is already a gazetted legitimate Gamanche, Bonny King Taki Adama Alache, you can also see that copy here. This is a clear sign that there is already a Gamanche, Adama Alache. The Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs, sensing danger for the Ghana state, invited Honorable Ishmael Ashite, the then Greater Accra Regional Minister, and then Honorable the Minister for Chieftaincy, then the member of Council of State representing the Ghana caucus for the Greater Accra region, for the Minister of Council of State for Greater Accra region, and the Greater Accra Regional Commander of Police, to an emergency meeting of the House on 16th March 2018 on the issue based on Article 274(3)(b) of the 1992 Constitution. After deliberations, it was resolved that the House, that is Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs, should submit to the state officials mentioned above the legitimate paramount chief of the Ghana traditional area per available records. Take note. The Greater Accra House of Chiefs immediately wrote a letter dated 29th March 2008 to the National House of Chiefs, Kumasi, requesting them to furnish the house, that is Greater Accra House of Chiefs, with the status of the Ghana paramount chief for necessary action. The National House of Chiefs Kumasi also on 9th April 2018 replied that the request indicating that the person whose name appears in the National Register of Chiefs as Gamanche, Paramount Chief of Gan, is Bonny Taki Adamalache, aka George Taki Abia. Ladies and gentlemen, this is also the copy of that letter. Showing the status of the Gamanche. And then this is the response also from Kumasi National House of Chiefs. So whatever we are saying here is supported with documents. And like we say, people don't lie. I hope that saying stands today. The former Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs Regional Minister Ishmael Ashite on a number of occasions visited the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs in Adodowa to address the house, which brought him face to face with Bonny King Adamalache II, the Gamanche, as a member of the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs, but yet refused to acknowledge our Gamanche and rather connive with some elements in the ruling government, the Gbobulomo, and the Ghana Traditional Council to clandestinely install one Dr. Kevin Taki from the Teko Chulu as Gamanche with the stool name King Taki Teko Chulu II. So this is the picture showing Ishmael Ashite and Ni Adamalache II. Ishmael Ashite, then regional minister, with Gamanche Adamalache. All attend by these NPP government functionaries and their cohort to have the gazette of our Gamanche Bonny Taki Adamalache II cancelled from the National House of Chiefs at the National Register of Chiefs at the National House of Chiefs failed woefully. Also, series of scandals, court actions, and issuance of bench warrants to get Bonny King Taki Adamalache II to compromise and step down as occupant of the Grand Paramount stool ended in futility. We heard about meetings at certain places, Peduasi Lodge and other places, just to convince him to step down and take money so that they can have their way and install their puppet king. Failed. That Bonny King Adamalache, the legitimate Gamanche, has not abdicated his throne, neither has he been destooled, and though he is still occupying the Grand Paramount stool, he is being frustrated to sit and rule from both the Gamanche Palace and the Grand Traditional Council as its president. On the other hand, he is confidently performing his duties at the Regional House of Chiefs, Dodowa, where he has recently been elected one of the 5 members representing the region at the National House of Chiefs at Kumasi. So we now come to the new Gamanche. That's Kevin Taki, also known as Ni Teko Chulu II. Ladies and gentlemen and members of the press, it's of interest to note that 1. Kevin Taki was one of the candidates who appeared before the Ghana Paramount stool Jase and signed a memorandum of understanding to go by the final determination and decision of the Ganjase, only to turn around to do the unexpected, fighting the decisions of the Ganjase after he realized that the decision of the Ganjase was not in his favor. That too, we have an evidence here. This is his name and his signature. When the 4 of them were paraded for vetting, they all have to sign undertaking that they will go by the decision of the Ganjase. And he also signed. This is his signature. Then after the vetting, when he realized that he was not selected, he has to go the other way. This is how come we are having this problem. And we think that it is of time for us to bring these things out for the public to judge. And so that we also come in and find how we can bring peace and change, make sure that the right thing is done. We believe in legitimacy. So we must have a legitimate Gamanche. Number 2, the legitimate Jaseche in the person of the illegitimate Jaseche in the person of Dr. Tetekwe, who performed the installation of Dr. Kevin Taki as a rival Gamanche, has been thrown out of court with corresponding fines on a number of occasions, and therefore should be ignored with the contempt it deserves. And to me, that nullifies his installations he has done. Every action he has taken in the capacity of a Gajaseche is nullified. Number 3, the elders and key makers of Teko Chuluwe recently came out with a press conference and a statement and a video stating clearly that it is not their turn as Teko Chuluwe to nominate and install a Gamanche, but rather it is the turn of Abola Piamwe to install, and Abola Piamwe have duly installed a Gamanche in the person of Boni King Taki Adamalache, also known as George Abia Taki. They stated further that they, the Teko Chuluwe, have not installed anyone called Dr. Kevin Taki, since it is not their turn, and therefore they have no hand in the installation. We are yet to get that copy of the statement, but we have the video where they made that statement. Attempts to remedy the situation, ladies and gentlemen, all efforts through court actions, series of letters, press releases, etc., by some members of Cox and the Ganjase to caution the president at the Jubilee House, the former Greater Accra Regional Minister, Honorable Ishmael Ashite, and the Ghana Traditional Council to desist from this illegitimate action prove futile. And we have a copy of a letter here. This is a copy from the Abola session, asking the president to intervene and make sure that there is sanity in the Ghana Traditional Authority, that's the paramountcy. Nothing has come out of it. Elders of Abola Kota also wrote a letter dated 5th June 2022 to His Excellency, the President, on the Gamanche issues, and they replied from the President, signed by the Secretary of the President, they advised that the elders of Abola to hold on till a final decision by the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs, since the President has no mandate on that matter. As we speak, this young man called Dr. Kevin Taki, one time the Vice President candidate for JOY, the independent presidential candidate, has been forcibly installed as a counter Gamanche over the people of the Ghana states by these fraudulent, greedy, power-driven allies of the acting president of the Ghana Traditional Council and the NPP government, to the disappointment and dismay of the people of the Ghana state. This is an affront to our age-long established Ghana customs and traditions. Handing over of the presidency of the Ghana Traditional Council. The coalition of royals of the Ghana state wishes to express its shock at the recent development at the Ghana Traditional Council, captured in the media, where on Monday, 1st March 2021, the acting president of the Ghana Traditional Council, Nidodun Sakina II, Otublo Manche, handed over the acting presidency of the Ghana Traditional Council to Ni Adote Otinto II, Sempe Manche, when there is already a legitimate Ghana Manche and a substantive president in the person of Boni King Adama Lache II. This we see as an affront, unfortunate, and a recipe for chaos in the Ghana state, and therefore wish to call on the members of the Ghana Traditional Council to do the needful by reversing that anomaly. Why hand over the acting president to Ni Adote Otinto II and not Dr. Kevin Taki or Ni Teko Chulu II, who claim to be the Gamanche, if we are to go by that assertion? Or is it because Nidodun Saki II has openly said that Dr. Kevin Taki, also known as Ni Teko Chulu II, is not gazetted? Why hand over to Ni Adote Otinto II and not Boni King Adama Lache II, the legitimate Gamanche? Cox research has shown that there is a legitimate Gamanche, Boni King Adama Lache II, who was installed on 11 June 2011 from Abolam Piamwe, the rightful ruling house, whose turn it is to provide a candidate to be installed Gamanche. The government and its functionaries cannot and must not impose anybody over us as Gamanche. The acting president and members of the Ghana Regional Council, with their cohorts, cannot and must not decide who becomes a Gamanche for us. The legitimate Gamanche, King Boni Adamalache, is not dead. He is very much alive, neither has he abdicated his throne. We therefore appeal to the government, national security, National House of Chiefs, Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs, the media fraternity, to help bring back our legitimate Gamanche, Boni King Adamalache II, whose right is being undermined. This peace, development, and progress of the people of Ghana State are also being undermined. This blatant disregard of the law must not be swept under the carpet of political expediency. It has gone on for a long time, far too long, to the displeasure of the majority of Ghanaians of all political persuasions. A recent instance of the crass disregard of the laws of Ghana is the use of this Dr. Kevin Taki, aka Niteko Chulu II, as the Gamanche for the COVID-19 vaccination. When there is a legitimate and gazetted Gamanche, as indicated by the records of the National House of Chiefs, we don't have to take to the streets to demonstrate before the government listens. We are of the belief that the government already has the intelligence from the National Bureau of Investigation, NIB, and the National Security, and would wish the government and the agencies act to our call, bearing in mind that the capital of Ghana is in Accra, Greater Accra region, and that any disturbance in Accra will undermine the government and development of Ghana as a whole. Finally, we are looking forward to prompt response and progress from all quarters of authority herein mentioned. Thank you. Long live the people of the Ghana State. Long live Gamanche Bonitaki Adamalache. Long live Ghana. Thank you.
Beni ake Adamalache baba na ba vetile na ba tu ekusum ahale abola PMB di meni chiele ake ame candidate na me kelabani ame wole Gamanche no fe no ni sani atu ye hi atu fe pe to boni wolo ewie e se eku e ni bi bo chakemo yake anukwale Keshikahemo efite gan bien tourné won bo wo moden ake ekoshi wota ne ake wo ba bo wo moden an ka shi beni the right thing will be done ni Adamalache wa ku se iba yake leti money wole di gapusun leti money atu eni oduba no fe wo yu dasi wo mbodromo na college ne huni ebamene fe no ba wa kaji listening government there bona meke na klanie le fi ake ambabo wo yomu ni tui ni eni jigbe ameke gbeje ni ka jo ni mla kun twa no manya fe wono
yo beje no ko
wo yomo kuku fe ni se ne to bona kan ye wo jiku wo ha gafe ke jele fe ne le ake wo shia ejwe ni constitute ga parama sule ni shia ejwe ke je 1962 ni aye ke je abola pia ta te ko tulu jimeli bebe aye ke je 44 ke je 44 kashi 47 e wo e jabola pia 32 ni ete teko tulu 44 teko tulu we atotaki komi 48 ni lehu mo boda kan ya so apale na to ni amugi e wo shia edo efe ameye no ni sani ameye no hewo kese e ba kan se ya ke ni amugi echo ese me wo ku ose ke ya abola pia wo teko tulu we bi esisi je wo ha mu femo kele kevie e papa ke cheko le ke mu femo wo ha mu femo na eline wo fe wo yo dase ya magali je ye swalaba na ke dango abola piandi ake amenueshe ni amayi wo ka ke be bia ne wo ya mo ke wo te me pe beeshe ni wo e walami ye se te ko tulu no abana o ni je na kan te ko tulu bi di yo na kan be ami ameji meri ba cha no
nje tai komi to mo bo ni yue mo eteye anu kwali ele ko beto ni ke kagbe sani wo fe wo kagbe ani sali ka wo tai komi we bi e wo fe ko wo yi akeka le no ege efe nu cho sumo na ni de che adamala che wo ba ke wo yi eje wo le age bi ato na bula pia mi je ma yo di ka ja bula pia mi aya te ko tulu do benimi ni awo adamala che na kele pasensia na tu ekufu ebu o mama ka pa mama here the next ruling house le ayoda say na ki ha do wo fe wo ye oda say na ke wo head of teko chuluwede do wo de nche wo le ake esako wo be nu okpa ye ya teko chuluwe eye ke ye tan gbene be yi ba eja ele on ka pa e mama be ye kusu na akba wo tai come we bi ye e ke be wo ngba egbele do mi fi oni yo ni gba cho na
ni ya ote yati jamgiwe ni na fi ofen keje shishije ke ba shehede chene fen yemi ni afe selection ni akhlame ni balaka shi awo adama niji lache atole ya piana nani jibaji adama lache ke Kevin mo ke chepe adama lache ke wo ba yu e biji Kevin amefe amejete ko churu amefe amejete ko churu ni aje abola piam na baba adama lache ni ji ni private George George Taki bien ba male ejake ibalake amenabo nakaji boni amekewo wole abugiwe woje no jame mbote mi vvv amenabo ko na ameka George Taki ba lade ni oba kwele na akwe no fen no ye he anakele jiboni isa no wa wemi no agbede ko ka ke no ni ya no ke no ni ba ni fe wote me kuma na pe eja keshin bo Kevin Taki ne bo Kevin ne bedo be mi na ke bo ba ni ake o chekwe mene me pia bi ekele bo bo wo fe wo nyae na je wo hu atwon akele ka ja keshi e bale akeshin ame yenyu agwa bete mokobe no me na agbadomo chi agbo amete mokobe akele e ba fe ga manche ani nye plan no lo ame fe ame plan no no agbede mi na eko ni ha ni wo ke te ko tuwe bi ake ta ke boni ame na yele e shekwa me no ame na tui ka sha be no ambaye
fi open market jingbe ji Jonathan Takikome nje Takikome we ni papa aje ni Takikome the second ne ba ye gamanche 1948 ni nkruma pale 1962 mine no njamugiwe ejake imami egbe ji na o de fiu Takiya boy wo gamanche ni Takiya boy ne ba ye gamanche 1919 1929 ebi yo tuntu jile no yenye se njamugiwe ni yenche se nje Takikome we shimure tani emiji na ywe lo ke ha
wo gamanche ni jiboni kintaki adamalaje mi no ni ta o makenye titri ni maloy o dan fe ni shemambi ke tu bola adiji ga wa ya kusun ni kusun no ake wo manche ka ba wo gamanche adomo kusun no mi ni ji kusu oti ji ke gamanche te abo mi lo gamanche cho ese moko be egbe ni efi yala jaja seche ni ji gaja seche no kenkle no ni sanu wata oji na mo ji gaja seche amlo ne mekmenke doctor tetekui mekubeke ni ati otoka emi choma no kwale kekeji ja seche oye kadi ko meni chwa ke bodi ja seche mini ji ne ke kadi ne gamanche ni ya boji mo no to wole wo ba bia ke ni niamugi be shina ya tole na mo jija seche ni tashina ke fe yala ye gamanche palace de ji ni ya totoka no miye tete kwe bataje to mo yala mo ne ba yala no ni ji onyo ye wo gakusu na ke gamanche egbeshi na atu he no fe no de ba ya bo mi ta frache wo gan fili ba na wo fili white ko ye ni de wo gan fili e akeya na kan fili e ni mo abajie ye nini ni ka jie ye nini gamanche monika tolata ni abawule na kan